Welcome to my channel. Netgear Orbi Satellite Sync Tutorial Complete Guide. Step 1. Place the satellite near the router. Start by placing your Orbi satellite in the same room as your Orbi router. Keeping them close together during the first setup helps them connect faster and reduces the chance of sync errors. Step 2. Power on the router. Make sure your Orbi router is plugged in and fully powered on. Wait until the router's LED is stable before attempting to connect the satellite. Step 3. Turn on the satellite. Plug the Orbi satellite into a power outlet. Allow it to boot completely. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and the LED ring will light up during startup. Step 4. Press the sync button on the router. Locate the sync button on the back of the Orbi router. Press it once, but do not hold it down. Step 5. Press the sync button on the satellite. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's sync button, press the sync button on the satellite. The devices will begin searching for each other automatically. Step 6. Wait for the LED color. Give the satellite a few minutes to complete the connection. The LED ring will indicate the result: blue, excellent connection; amber, fair connection; magenta, sync failed or no connection. Step 7. Move the satellite to its final location. Once the satellite syncs successfully, unplug it and place it halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Power it back on and wait for it to reconnect. Step 8. Check the connection in the Orbi app. Open the Orbi app on your phone and confirm that the satellite appears as connected. You can also check the signal quality and device status from the app. Step 9. Update the firmware. If the satellite isn't syncing properly, check for firmware updates. Keeping both the router and satellite on the latest firmware helps prevent compatibility and connection issues. Step 10. Reset and try again if needed. If syncing still fails, press and hold the reset button on the satellite for about 10 seconds. Wait for it to restart, then repeat the sync process from the beginning. Thanks for watching.